Hello dear students, today we are starting our new chapter factors and multiples. Okay, so this word factor and multiples, it is already familiar to you. We can just recall some times that is used in factors and multiples. Okay, so here first 3 fours are what 12. We can say that 12 is the product of 3 and 4, or 12 is the multiple of 3 and 4. Understand? Or we can say that 3 and 4 are the factors of 12. Understand? So these three things you have to know. 3, the product of 3 and 4 is 12. Product of 5 and 4 is 20. Product of 5 and 4 means 5 fours are 20. Understand? Or 12 is the multiple of 3 and 4. Isn't it multiples of 3 and 4? This is a multiple. That means in the 3 tables 12 is there, 4 tables also what is there? 12 is there. Isn't it? 4 3s are 12, 3 4s are 12. Okay. And next thing is that these 3 and 4 are the what factors of 12. So if we can multiply and write a number, that means these two numbers are the what factors of that number, isn't it? 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18 means 6 and 3 are the what factors of 18, or the product of 6 and 3 is what 18. Understand? Or 6 and 3 are the multiples of what 18. Okay, so these three things you have to understand: multiple, product and factor. Okay, so next thing, when you write these factors, okay, still also some students are making the mistakes. What are the multiples of 5? What is the multiples of 5 means the numbers that comes in the 5's table. For example, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. What are the multiples of 6? The numbers comes in 6 table. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, like that it goes. How can we check whether it is comes in the tables of 6? Just divide it. If you are getting remainder 0, then it should be comes in which one? 6 table. It is a multiple of 6. For example, check whether 96 is a multiple of 6. What we can do? 96 divided by 6 if you do. 1 6 are 6, 9 minus 6 3. Okay, 6. 6 6 are 36. You get a remainder 0. So it means that 96 is the multiple of 6. That means this 96 will comes in which table? 6 table. Okay, that is the thing. And what is mean by factors? Factors means that one I told you, I will teach you on the previous year too. For example, write the factors of 24. Write the factors for what? 24. How can we write it? 124 is equal to 24. Remember, 24 is what? An even number. So it will be 2 stable, it will be there. 2 12s are what? 24. Check in 3s. 3s means 3. 3 8s are what? 8 3s are 3 8s are 24. 4 6 are 24. Now next number 5 stable, 24 is not there, isn't it? Now it is what? 6 stable. 6 4s are already we wrote 4 and 6. 6 4s are 24, but it is repeating and we are not writing. I remember these things I teach you. Okay, and what are the factors we can write? Factors of 24 are 1, and this number and 1 is always the factor of a number. All the numbers having the factors, the number itself and the 1. Understand? So 1 and 24. 24 you have to write. 1 if you are not writing also no problem, because 1 is always the factor of any number. Okay, so we can write as 2 is there, 12 is there, 3 is there, 8 is there, 4 is there, 6 is there, and 24. Okay, these all are the factors of what? 24. 2 12 3 8 4 6 and 24. Okay, so this is called what? A factor. And even and odd numbers you already studied, isn't it? What is even number? 0 2. Even numbers what? Even numbers 0 2 4 6 8 6 8 2 0 2 4 6 8. The numbers which ends on this number, that means 10 12 46. You can see 0 2 6 98 These all numbers are what? Even numbers. All numbers are ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These numbers which ends with these numbers are also odd numbers, and numbers which ends with these numbers are also what? Odd numbers. For example, 91, 53, 75. These all are what? It ends with what? 1, 3, 5, like that. That is called odd numbers. Okay. And next one. This is one of the important things. These all things are you learned, isn't it? Now next one is what? Prime numbers. Prime numbers. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers, it has only factors that are the number itself and one and number itself. We can take starting with the 2. One is that I will say later about 1. We can start with the 2. Okay, 2. The factors of 2 are, how can we write 2? 1 2s are 2, isn't it? It has the factors 1 and 2 itself, isn't it? Does not have any other factor. Understand? So this is what a prime number. 2 is a prime number. Check now next number. 3. 3, how can we write? 1 3s are 3. See, it also having what the factors 1 and 3 itself. The number and 1 itself. Okay, it has only 2 factors. This is also what a prime number. Check now next number 4. See, 1 2 3 4. What about 4? How can we write 4? We can write a 1 4 is as 1 4s are 4. 4 we can write as what? 1 4s are 4. It is also in which table? 2's table. Is it? 2 2s are also 4. Okay, what we can see that this 4 has factors. 1 is there, that number itself is there, and one more factor, that is what? 2. So this is not a prime number. Why? It has more than 2 factors. Okay, it has one more extra factor, that is what? 2. So these numbers are called composite numbers. Okay, these numbers are called what? Composite numbers. So this 2 and 3 we got as a prime numbers, and 4 as what? A composite number. Okay, 1 4 2. Again we can check next number 5. Okay, 5 is a prime number or composite number. How can we check? Just check it. 5 is, we can write as 1 into 5 as 5. There is no other option. It has only factors what? 1 and 5. So this is also what? A prime number. Now what about 6? 6 we can write as 1 into 6, 6. Then 2 3s are also 6. Isn't it? 3 2s are 6. Again repeating, so that it has this much factors. It has factor 1, it has 6. Okay, more rather than it has factor 2 and 3 extra. So this is what number? It is called composite number. So prime number and composite numbers. Okay, so we can easily find that some prime numbers we can write it. That is not coming in any table, isn't it? For example, 2 is there, but 3 5 7. Okay, then 7, after 7 we already studied this one, isn't it? Previous year also we studied 7. Then 8 is the, it is not 9 10 11, understand, 13 17, like that it is going. You can easily find it whether it is a prime or composite number. Okay, these numbers having only factors, or we can say that 70 we can write only in this way. 70 is equal to 1 into 70. The 70 is not coming in any other table. Understand? That's why it is grouped as prime number. Okay, and what is a composite number? Having more than what? The rather than this number and 1, it has more extra factors. That is called a composite number. Okay, so that's about even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, and composite numbers. I told you about what about 1. 1 is not neither a prime or nor a composite. Why? 1 has only one factor. 1 we can write as 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So it has only one factor, that is 1 itself. Understand? That's why now 1 is not belongs to neither composite or a prime. Okay, so our composite prime numbers starting from 2, 2, 3, 5, 7 like that. And composite numbers having, what is composite number? It has more than 2 factors. That means not only as well as but for the number itself, and 1 is a factor of prime numbers, and more than that the numbers are called composite numbers. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.